What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about how to make money online with CloutZap and social media. Let's go.
That on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money and we saving more money. We building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to make that moolah, how to make that money, how to get that skrilla, how to get that scratch with CloutZap and social media. All right, so I know what a lot of people think. I do. People think that you have to be some type of super influencer to make money on social media. It's always been you have to have hundreds and hundreds of thousands of followers to really kill it online. In some cases, it might be true, but not with this new company, CloutZap. You don't have to have a lot of followers to make money online, because CloutZap has leveled the playing field. It's a platform that will literally pay you for all that you do online. So just do it like Nike and sign up now for a $35 bonus. $35 right in your pocket. The link is in the description. Don't get left behind. Join the wave, because CloutZap helps you make money online with social media. You can enjoy daily paychecks from the comfort of your home, using CloutZap to earn money from your computer, Android, iPhone, and iPad devices. So everything you're on, you can do it. All right, so I know you're wondering, how can you earn money with CloutZap? Well, you get paid for clicks on your referral link, $2 per click. You get paid for referral signups, $15. Get paid to do simple tasks, play games, test out free apps, and more. You get paid for completing daily quests, hourly giveaways, and much more. Every day, over tens of thousands of dollars are paid out on CloutZap. CloutZap has paid over $22 million in cash. Put cash back in your wallet today. Join. It's free. All right? It's free. If you want to learn how it works, click the link in the description and join today. Again, it's free and it's fun. All right? It's always fun making money. Know what I mean? So go ahead, check it out, learn more about it. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. I told you I'm gonna put you on more money this year, man. It's time. All right, so go ahead, check it out. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon put in work, Burke. Signing off for how to make money online with CloutZap and social media. Don't wait, don't hesitate. Click the link below and get started today.
That on my grind is an understatement.